Bronny Road, Waverley. We had allowed a small section of concrete, approximately 500mm wide, across to be replaced in our quotation, due to it having dropped and cracked. However, when we removed that section of concrete, we found that the slab further up the pathway was a topping mix, which all cracked and delaminated and had to be removed. Additionally, it will also allow us to get a continuous line of concrete from there, from the top to the bottom, so that there's no pooling of water, which may have occurred previously. So we've had to extend that slab an additional 1.5 meters.